Time for the right hand man battle. Yeah, I could have saved my rocket launcher from last video, but I ain't feel like wasting time on those two guys, so yeah. I might get hit during this battle, so I'm just heal up. Oh yeah, that glitch. What they call the dot man? Dit man glitch. That glitch right there make you run faster. Can't believe I forgot all about that glitch. Oh, I got canceled. Fucker, you canceled my glitch. Oh well. Yep, we're gonna use that. It's a must anyway. Just take a look at it. Scary and badass. But rather stupid. I mean, I just ran right past him. He could just own me in that corner. Quickest boss battle ever. In video gaming anyway. Well, at least to my knowledge. Yeah, I'm gonna do the glitch again. I guess any sort of action cancels it. Oh well. Ooh, first aid to spray sailed. That ain't even come out right.
It seems that's...
I'm so happy she's gone. Such a burden to protect. And so useless. Just that's the only thing she did is follow and shit. And take piggyback rides, but that's pretty much it. Alright, see what you got.
What are you buying? What are you selling?
Okay, I'm not
Is that
upgrading
Thank you.
the broken butterfly. I'm just using ammo during this battle. It's coming up.
Come back anytime.
Yeah, that boss battle is definitely up ahead. Two big guys, two giant, whatever. Holy shit, he's still alive. Usually it takes two. Okay, shoot him 3 times instead of 2. Haven't seen these guys in a while. A lot stronger than the village. The the ones in the village. Let me throwing stuff over here. Oh shit. Oh, that's one down. Jesus Christ. Maybe they're strong, but dang. Oh man. Going to put old shiny out on. Oh shit. Oh! Get off. Run away. Still alive? Thought the little bugger be dead. Die. Good boy. You better take them shotgun shells. Saying no. Gotta be crazy. Okay, nothing in there. Yeah, I'm gonna leave him alone. I'm going to get this shit done. Nah, just leave him alone. You can kill him for money if you want, but I'm not gonna fuck with him. The chainsaw man. Haven't seen you in a good while. Press the button and run away. I'll get my head chainsaw off. Ooh. Dynamite! Probably should use my sniper rifle, but never mind. I got plenty of shotgun ammo. That's a pretty slow reload. Pretty slow reload. But don't worry about it. Wow, he's strong. Okay, now you should die now. Couple more hits. Okay, that's more than a couple now. Good boy. I'll take that money off you. You fucker! You definitely gonna pay for that. Come on over here so I can kill you. See if I can kick him off. Damn. Really gotta be facing that way to kick him off. Oh yeah, definitely gonna need that grenade. I'm just use the ammo in this gun. Soon as the Killer 7 for sale. As a matter of fact, soon I guess. Yeah, I guess when the Killer 7 for sale, I'll sell this gun. I don't know. I might just sell it. Cause man, I ain't even gonna use it anyway. I'm gonna get a flashbang out to stun him, so I can get some hits off of him. Dang! I thought that would have done it. I guess not. hate when them fuckers break out that stun quick. Throw another one of them. We'll get some more shots in for this video now.